This look, it's a dramatic look with a mix of color. Thank you for watching. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how I got this in my eyes and a vibrant lipstick. It's a dramatic. Hi everyone, thank makeup, but you can change the colors as you like. Please keep watching. So let's begin. The first thing I'm gonna do is apply this concealer by MAC as my eyeshadow base with a small concealer brush. It will work as primer for my eyes and also cover my. So now I'll apply this kohl eyeliner pencil by Motives Cosmetics in the color Onyx. I will apply this as my dark eyeshadow base in my outer corner and a little bit my crease. And after. With a small brush, I will concentrate this color exactly where I applied the dark eyeshadow base. Just with my favorite blending brush. Be careful to not leave any harsh lines, but also don't blend too much because we don't want to lose the beautiful effect of this color. And now I will apply also in my lower lash. To create a more beautiful transition of colors, I will apply this color with a small blending brush, which is the color Limit. I will apply in the edges of the color Black Heart. It will have. And now let's go to the fun part. I will be using Electric Palette by Urban Decay colors. I prefer to mix the colors with another palette because it's hard to create something wearable with only this palette. But you can color, and I apply in the side of the purple. A little bit on top of them, just to balance the look. In my tear duct area, I will apply this pigment by MAC, the color is Vanilla. I really love this because it's waterproof and is really black. After this you can apply your false eyelashes and mascara by Too Faced. This is in the color Fuchsia. As you can see, it's a really beautiful shade of pink. And now I will apply this beautiful Sweethearts blush also from Too Faced. Watching. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how I got this look. It's a dramatic look with a mix of colors in my eyes and a vibrant lipstick. It's a dramatic makeup.